As a part of the NS2G project, we developed a new measurement tool for two-generation initiatives to measure mutual reinforcement. Let's first begin by defining mutual reinforcement. Mutual reinforcement occurs in two-generation initiatives when service providers align and build on each other's efforts to serve whole families by adopting a shared vision and working towards a common or compatible goals. These efforts are intentionally coordinated to make use of each service provider's strengths or expertise. They can include designing and offering services of high quality and appropriate intensity to caregivers and children in the same families, developing and using shared measures to assess both caregivers and children in the same families, or developing a common theory of change or aligned mission statements to positively affect both generations within a family. Finally, we hypothesize that mutual reinforcement is necessary to achieve broader shared outcomes for both generations, beyond what each service provider would be able to achieve on their own. But in order to test this hypothesis, we need to be able to measure mutual reinforcement. So, what is the NS2G Mutual Reinforcement Measurement Tool? It's a tool that includes 14 sets of survey-style questions, and you have two options for completing the tool. You can complete the electronic Excel-based version of the tool from the start. This Excel-based version generates an overall score of mutual reinforcement and scores for three subscales: principles, infrastructure, and service delivery strategies. Or if it works better for you, you can complete a paper and pencil version first and then enter your answers into the Excel file afterwards. Just a note here that we have designed the tool so that higher scores indicate stronger levels of mutual reinforcement, but the scoring tool and the methodology are preliminary and not yet validated. While we assume improving scores coincides with strengthening mutual reinforcement, we do not yet know what scores translate to emergent, strong, or exemplary levels of mutual reinforcement, and some more testing is needed. So we've talked about the 14 sets of questions. What are these questions? The first set of questions asks staff and partners to describe their initiative structure. That includes listing all the partners involved in the initiative, the extent to which partners have aligned visions, goals, missions, theories of change, and action plans, and the number of programs or services the initiative offers to each generation. Then there's a set of follow-up questions that assess the degree to which programs and services are of high quality and appropriate intensity, the degree to which partners align and streamline implementation, and the degree to which partners capitalize on their relative strengths or areas of expertise. And then finally, there's a set of final questions that focus on data, including if and how partners collect, use, and share data about the two-generation initiative. We hope this tool can be used to help two-generation initiatives and their partners identify program strengths as well as areas for improvement.